She has the hiccups.
17, 25, 312.
Elena, do you have the hiccups? Is that bothering you? She's got a little elf ear.
I don't think that feels her stuff
So 5 minutes?
out. Huh? Yeah, just a little.